Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 279, and if you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just type here apps and features, and then type here Roblox, click on it and click on install, and after that go back and install it again from your browser, and then let's move to the next step. Type here view network connections, right click on your connection, click properties, now click protocol internet version 4 and click properties, and once you're here you will find it like that. Select second one and type here 111.1.0.0.0.1 and click OK. And that's it, your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.